Hey Ben, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Great. Are you ready for your interview?
Yes, I am.
All right, tell me, where are we right now?
We're in the West-MEC Precision Machining Lab.
West-MEC. They don't have a mascot, do they?
No, they do not.
If they did, what do you think it would be?
I think it'd have to be an ant because they're not lazy and super hardworking, just like us.
Tell me, why do you like being here?
I like being here because I love working with my hands and I couldn't see myself sitting behind a desk. And I love working around the students here who are committed to this career training opportunity.
Sounds like you're in the right place. What is the coolest thing that you have learned at West-MEC?
I think it'd have to be measurement because I think it's amazing how you can measure something as small as a human hair to 1,000th of an inch.
Wow. Where's your favorite area in the lab to get your learn on?
Honestly, it had to be the lathe because I think it's awesome how you can use your hands to control this machine to make any cylindrical object.
All right, final question. If there is one piece of tech that you could take home right now, what would it be?
Well, the CNC machine is awesome because you can program it to cut any part that you want to a super high degree of accuracy and repeatability. But I'd still think I'd take home the lathe because it'll fit in my garage and I can jump in there if I need to make like a bolt or something. And you make some pretty cool stuff like this ring.
That's really cool. Well, hey Ben, thank you so much for showing us around and we'll catch you next time.
Thank you for coming.